Hello, I've been using this plugin for a while and I'm wondering if I can replace it with a Lua script. I just want the basic stuff. I want all my keymaps listed in a buffer so I can search in those keymaps. So let's do it. If you type the map command, you have almost the whole job done. I just need to put this text in a buffer. So there is a method in the API that I can use. Is beam API exec there. Now I can put map and output true and output. Now let's save the output. Keymaps. I'm going to print this. Keymap. Okay, let's run this. Fine. Now I need to split this text into lines. So beam split keymaps. Now I'm going to create a buffer. Beam API create listed true and scratch true. I have a mistake here. Let's put this buffer as the current buffer. Beam API current set current buff. Now let's put the lines in the buffer. Put API set lines here. Buff start 0 and nothing. Strict indexing, I don't know, I'm going to put false. And replacement lines. I'm going to put this in a function. And I'm going to create a keymap. Let's rename this. I want to use G key to see the keymaps. Keymap list. Now if I type G key, I should see all my keymaps there. And here I can search G or I don't know, comment, how to comment, maybe toggle. Great, very easy, just few lines and you have basic functionality. So what do you think? Do you like it? Hope you like it. See you.